Everything you just watched, the visuals, the camera move, the sound, none of it is real. No camera shot it, no mic recorded it. Somebody typed a sentence, and an AI built the whole thing. And here's the part that's going to get you. The model behind it is one of the best video AIs out there right now, and you can use it completely free. It's called Seedance 2.0, and it's good enough that a normal viewer might not even clock that it's AI. Normally, you'd pay real money to touch something this clean, but there's a way to run it for free through a platform called Dola. And in this video, I'm getting you in, then putting it through everything. Generating images, generating full video, and the sound that comes with it. By the end, you're going to want to try it yourself. So how do you actually get in? On desktop, Dola runs right in your browser. On your phone, there's a Dola app. It's on the App Store and the Play Store, where it's sitting at over 100 million downloads. So it's legit. Either way, hit login, sign in with a Google account, drop in a date of birth, and you're straight into a chat-style AI workspace. And here's how you know it's actually free. Go looking for a Buy Credits button or a subscription page. There isn't one. To be clear too, this is the real Seedance 2.0, not some cheap lookalike model wearing its name. Account made, you're in. Let me show you what it can do. We start simple, then it gets stupid impressive fast. First up, the easy one, images. Don't skip this because a strong still is the foundation of a strong video later. This is where the whole pipeline starts. You pick Create Image, type what you want, choose your aspect ratio, and a few seconds later, there it is. Look at the detail. The lighting, the textures, the way it handles the small stuff. This is the kind of image that used to mean a designer, a stock subscription, and an afternoon. And there's a preset style option, so you can lock in one look and keep every image consistent. Handy if you're building a brand or a series. Now here's the move most people skip, and it's the secret to good video later. Pick the image you like and hit Add as Reference. Once it's attached, you can ask Dola to tweak specific parts of it. Change one detail, fix one thing, without regenerating the whole image. So don't settle for the first result. Keep nudging it until it's exactly what you pictured. One heads up, editing can sometimes reset your aspect ratio, so just reset it before you move on. So that's images. Fast, detailed, consistent, free. But honestly, images are the warm-up. The reason you're really here is next. Quick thing before the big one. If you're into free AI tools like this, hit subscribe. I dig these up every week, and most of them get paywalled before anyone even hears about them. All right, the main event. This is what you came for. Seedance 2.0's video generation, and this is where it stops being a toy. On desktop, open a new chat and hit Create Video. And there it is, Seedance 2.0 sitting right there as the model. You get 5 or 10-second clips in any aspect ratio you want. Here's my prompt. A red sports car speeding down a coastal highway at sunset, camera tracking alongside, ocean glittering in the background, motion blur, cinematic, photorealistic. Send it. Dola tells you it's spinning up the clip, and about a minute later, that's it. One sentence. A shot that a year ago needed a camera, a location, and a crew. Now there are two ways to make these. Text to video. Describe a scene and it builds the whole thing from nothing, or image to video, and this is the better way. Remember that image you refined a second ago? Hit Add as Reference, switch off Create Image, choose Create Video instead, and add your motion prompt. Something like slowly push in on his face as he turns to look toward the camera, wind moving his beard and hair, subtle waves behind him. Because you dialed in every detail of the still first, the video comes out way closer to what you actually had in your head. Watch the motion, because this is where most AI video falls apart and where Seedance flexes. The camera moves like a real camera. Things in the scene move the way they actually should. Remember the melting faces and 7-fingered hands from a year ago? Look how far past that we are. Let me push the range so you can see it's not a one-trick model. Same tool, 4 totally different worlds. So recap the firepower. Images, text to video, image to video, multiple styles, real camera motion. But there's one feature I think is the sleeper hit of the whole thing, and it's the part that makes these clips feel finished instead of like a demo. It is sound. This is the one that genuinely surprised me. Here's the thing, you didn't even ask for audio, But play the clip back and it's there. Seedance generates matching sound automatically, baked right into the video. The footsteps land with the steps, the ambience fits the scene, the action has weight to it. Think about why that's a big deal. Every other AI video tool hands you a beautiful, completely silent clip and leaves you to go hunt down music and sound effects and sync it all yourself. This one scores itself. That right there is the line between a cool experiment and something you'd actually post. So now picture the whole stack in your head: image, motion, and sound, all from one free tool. Let me show you why that combination is way bigger than any single feature. Here's where it clicks. On their own, each feature is neat. Stacked together, it's a full production pipeline running in your browser. Think about what a 10-second branded clip with sound normally takes: a concept, a designer, footage, an editor, sound design, days of work, and real money. Here the flow is just generate the image, refine it, animate it, and the sound comes with it. Minutes instead of days. $0 instead of a budget. Now, real quick, because this fits perfectly with everything we just did, you've now got a way to generate as much video as you want for free. But making the videos is honestly only half the job. Then you've got to actually post them. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, over and over by hand every single day. And once you're pumping out content this fast, that part gets old quick. So if you're generating clips like these and you're tired of manually posting them everywhere, check out repurpose.io. It's a content automation tool. You build a workflow one time, pick where your content comes from, pick where you want it to land, and from then on, repurpose.io publishes it across all your platforms for you, automatically. So you make the videos here, and you let Repurpose push them everywhere, completely hands-off. Links in the description. Go set it up before your next batch. So that's Seedance 2.0, free through Dola. Image generation, text to video, image to video, and sound that actually matches. The full stack, no cost, no crew. Every single thing you watch me make in this video started as one sentence in a box. So go try it. Type something ridiculous and watch what comes out. Links in the description. And if you want more free AI tools before everyone else catches on, I've got a pile more on the channel. Go dig into those and I'll catch you in the next one.